Welcome. This video will show you how to use the WiseNet multi-directional camera. The camera and these accessories are included in the package. Now, let's get started. First, remove the dome cover by loosening the bolts using the drill bit provided. To avoid dust getting into the cover, do not remove the protective seal until the end of the installation. Next, remove the two bolts on the sides. Now, separate the camera body from the mounting plate by pulling the plate spring, and then lift the body at approximately 30 degrees. Both quad and center modes are available to install. First, let's have a look at the quad mode. You can manually adjust the camera lenses. Shield covers are designed to prevent diffuse reflection. The 4 lenses can be individually set up for panning, tilting, or rotating depending on the environment. Now, let's explore the center mode. Push your fingers into the rear of the center shield cover and open and lift it. Dismount the lens by pressing the button on the back of the camera. Insert the dismounted lens into the center rotating slot. When inserting the lens, make sure you mount it into the 2 holes first. Center mode installation is completed. Dome cover is used to neatly cover the cameras for both center and quad mode. The multi-directional camera uses 4 micro SD cards, 1 for each camera. On the camera body, there is a zoom focus control button. Press the button for automatic focus control. Test monitor out port and dip switch to change channels are also located here. On the other side, you will be able to find the reset button, network port, alarm in, out port, and power port. Now it's time to install the mounting plate on the ceiling. It must be installed on an area that can support 5 times the weight of the camera, including the installation bracket. Connect the safety cable to the mounting plate to prevent an accident while installing the camera. Insert the camera body into the mounting plate hinge by maintaining a 30 degrees angle. Connect the LAN cable to the terminal inside the camera using RJ45 cap and flexible bush. Once done, fully connect the body onto the mounting plate and push in the pin spring. Then securely connect the body and the mounting plate by tightening the screws. You can now remove the protective seals from the lenses. Install the dome cover by matching the symbols on both sides of the dome cover and the plate. Indoor installation of multi-directional camera is completed. To install the camera outdoors, optional accessories are required. To start, securely attach the mounting plate onto the hanging mount using the screws provided in the package. Insert the LAN cable into the mounting plate. Connect the hanging mount and the wall mount. Connect the safety cable to the mounting plate. Insert the camera body into the mounting plate hinge by maintaining a 30 degrees angle. Connect the LAN cable to the terminal inside the camera using RJ45 cap and flexible bush. Push in the pin spring to connect the camera body and the mounting plate. Tighten the screws to fully assemble the body and the mounting plate. Remove the protective seals from the lens and manually adjust the camera direction. Assemble the dome cover and the mounting plate by matching the symbols. Tighten the screws and the outdoor installation of multi-directional camera is completed. Now, let's look into the Webviewer live screen. By selecting the channel buttons, the viewer will show the desired channel. To view all channels in a single screen, select the 4-channel button. You can see the Channel 3 lens has been rotated 90 degrees clockwise and needs the hallway view setup. Select the settings icon at the top, then click the video and audio menu on the left. Click the video setup and select Channel 3. Select the hallway view under video rotation mode. Select 90 degree to apply. You can rotate the captured video by the camera to 0, 90, or 270 degrees. If you change settings, the browser window will be closed and the camera restarted. Please access again. Hallway view has been set successfully. To adjust the focus and zoom, click on the settings icon on the top, then select the focus setup under Video and Audio on the left menu. Let's adjust Channel 1 focus and zoom. Use the focus menu bar to adjust the lens focus and sharpen the image. You can also manually adjust the zoom settings from wide to teleview. To automatically set up the focus, simply click the dot button. Now set other channels using the same method. Webviewer setup is completed. You now have a complete view without any blind spots. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the multi-directional camera. For more information, please visit hanwhasecurity.com. WiseNet. Hanwha TechWin.